Hey guys, so let's compare Oukitel's latest rugged tablet, the RT6, with its predecessor, which is the RT5. These two rugged tablets packs very similar specifications, so in this video we'll be comparing the specs of these two rugged tablets to point out the differences and similarities. In terms of price, the RT6 is expected to be a little bit expensive than the RT5, but I do not know the price of the RT6 yet. But the RT5 is sold for about $239, so I'm expecting the RT6 to be sold for, I don't know, maybe $250, but I don't really know yet. Anyway, if you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So as you guys can see, the specs of these two rugged tablets are very similar. I think one of the major differences between the two rugged tablets is in the battery department. The RT6 is equipped with a much more bigger battery, 20,000 mAh to be exact. The battery capacity of the RT5 is 11,000 mAh. It's also ginormous, but obviously not as big as the battery on the RT6. Almost all the specs of both devices are the same. The designs are almost the same as well. Both devices are rugged tablets, so they are both rated IP68 and IP69K, which means they are resistant to dust, water, high pressure water, and of course resistance to shock as well. Overall, the two rugged tablets are equipped with impressive specs, but the RT6 is slightly better than the RT5. I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two rugged tablets, so make sure to share them using the comment section below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.